Hello and welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In week 2 of 2019, when I came back from Germany on Monday and the Netherlands on Saturday, I stopped at a few locations along the highway of the Carrefour hypermarkets. These hypermarkets were having a sale on some products like they usually do in the month of January and July, and also some diecast was reduced in price in some locations. So this is what I found in some of these locations. These appeared in 2018. It does have a 2018 date, as you can see here. These are the Maisto real gears. These are pullback cars. I only got one of them just to have an example of it. It's a Lamborghini, of course, the Huracan LP610-4. Then also found me some Lamborghinis from the Lamborghini series. This is the Aventador. So I have a full set, but I buy these reduced in price to open up because they are cheaper. Well, I got the full set for €2, not €2.99. So these are 1.5, so that's a little bit cheaper. This is the Murcielago, and because they have the stickers on them, I don't mind opening these up because I don't want to take the time to try to pull them off. So I have one set without stickers, and then these ones will get opened up eventually when I have all of them double. Reventon in white. Then this one appeared at the end of 2018 in stores with the Bmw X5 in the Noodarts livery, the emergency doctor. Now at almost €20, I was not willing to pay that much for this. I already have all of these cars except for the fantasy ones. The Trailer Hawk I do have, and it's just way too much money. So I was glad I found this reduced in price, so then I thought it was worth getting. So let's open it up and take a look at what's in there. This is the International Armored Car metal base, plastic body. Very light, of course, because there's not much metal on it, but I still like it. Then we get the Mudstanger, 2015 Mattel 68 Mustang. It says on the base, but it's called the Mudstanger. This was in the Dirty Mothers 5-pack. Kind of a Zamak version with the skull on the sides, pretty cool. Then some fancy model, doesn't have the name on the base, couldn't tell you what it's called. The Trailer Hawk, which is cool, of course. Is this all plastic? Yeah, it seems to be. So with the detachable canoe, you can put it on the station wagon that has a canoe on there too. Although this is not really a canoe, more of a boat. The station wagon has a canoe on it. There's something with a trailer hitch. Yep, this one is. Then we have the 16 Chevy Camaro in a very nice and striking blue. Very nice rims too. Detailed front, detailed in the back, Chevy license plate. Sorry. The Ford Police Interceptor. The 17 Jeep Gladiator in red this time. Pretty cool model. This is the Doondog, I think. Yep, Doondog. Some kind of a matte finish. It's kind of nice. Looks kind of realistic, this one. A bit like a Toyota Land Cruiser. But then again, not. And this is the one I got the pack for, the BMW X5. Still has the clip in the back. That's great. So they did not modify it again like they do with so many castings. I like that. Cool. And then I found me a second set of the Gran Turismo series. So these also arrived the beginning of this year, actually, for a low price, at least for where I live, €1.50. This is the Skyline Gt-R R34. It's an international card, so it doesn't have all the models on the back. So it's the first time ever I can complete one of these special mainline series, as I call them, because cars in there are not premium, they're just like mainline cars, but they have a special theme. Usually it takes me a long time to complete them because they're so expensive and sometimes hard to find. These were very affordable, so I was able to get a full set in no time. The Renault Sport RS01. Now, I don't know anything about computer games, but I like these cars very much. They are very nicely done. Nice gray rims. And some locations were already even clearancing these. So they have just arrived in these stores and they were already doing discounts on them. That's crazy. I never had that happen before here. So this is the Lancer Evolution from 2008, the black rims. This one has lensed headlights. Many of them have some flashing around the windows on the side, so I picked the ones that were acceptable. The 14 Corvette Stingray, this was even 50% off, so only 75 cents. I'll take it for that money. So after all, I did not have to buy the first ones at €1.50. I could have found all of them reduced in price, but hey, I would never have thought that would happen. Usually die-cast, these usually cost the same as these, $2.99. So that's about $3.50 they charge us for these. And now suddenly we get this series for only €1.50, so that's half price already. And then they get clearanced like the same month they arrived in the store. I mean, wow. If this is going to be like the rest of the year, then we're in for a very good year, us collectors here. I just don't think that's going to happen. But I like the way this store is doing things now. If they continue on this path, wow, that's going to be great. The Renault Megane trophy. Nice card art, by the way. Love it. Also has the gray rims. The BMW M4, very nice tampos. M Performance colors, cool. The Ford GT. So these stores can choose whatever they clearance and for how much. As you can see, some have 30% off, some have 50% off, some have nothing off, just standard price. They can choose, each location can choose whatever they clearance. And then number 8. McLaren F1 Gtr, like a metallic orange. Plastic spoiler or wing like the rest of them have, except for the RS01. No, most of them have a metal one. This one has a metal one, this one has a metal one. It's just the Renault, the Ford GT and the McLaren, so it's 50-50, that have a plastic wing. Half of them metal, half of them has a plastic wing. So that's it, guys, for this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.